This is the quickest and the easiest way to add Bluetooth capability to this factory radio right here. Let me show you how. So first, we set the car, turn on the ignition. Set your car radio to 87.9. That's all you have to do. Now you can hear that there's a lot of static coming through. Now we're gonna plug in my device into the car, onto the car. This is what my device looks like. One end of it is the control unit. The other end comes with two wires. One wire with two split ends. One is for USB, the other one's for aux. We'll connect the USB to the Sacred charger like this. That's it. That's all you have to do. Now we just plug it in and listen. Now we're going to plug it into this car for power.
Power on. Power on. Bluetooth mode. Waiting for connection. Connected.
That's it. That's all you have to do to add Bluetooth capability to your factory radio. You do not need a new radio. You do not need to do any sort of modification. All your control will be exactly the same. And you basically are able to add your smartphone features right through your factory radio right here. This is the quickest and easiest way to add Bluetooth capability to any older car factory radio. Your music will be crystal clear without static. So this is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy. You get my gadget from GizmoGuyGadgets.com. GizmoGuyGadgets.com. Essentially, my gadget will make your car as smart as your new smartphone. All you got to do is connect my device into your car, and you will be able to you will be able to enjoy streaming music, talk hands-free, as well as GPS navigations from your smartphone right through your older car factory radio. This is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Google Gizmo Guy Gadgets for details.
You do not need to replace a radio. You do not need to do any kind of modification to your 2011 Honda Pilot stock radio. All you got to do is get my gadget. This is what my gadget looks like from GizmoGuyGadgets.com. From GizmoGuyGadgets.com. Gizmo Guy Gadget will allow you to add Bluetooth capability to any older car factory radio without removing the head units or doing any sort of modification.